Hey, what's up? Hope you're doing great. Nakasha's back. So after a long time, I created one content automation tool for myself. So I want to share it with you so you can use it. So you don't need any hassle or any other application. You just need to set up this tool one time if you have a PC. So it's really easy for you. So let me show you how it's work, and you just need only one keyword so it can generate whole podcast style video, like 6 or 5 minute long video for you. So it's almost free, but there is one API keys. If you don't know what is API, so we are going to use two APIs here, one for podcast generation, deep search, and then podcast script writing. And for video generation, it's a little bit paid, so you need to pay really minor fees for that. So let me show you how it's work. And by the way, you can use your own video if you have any free video generator, so you can use that, generate your video and add it manually. So I will show you how you can do that. So let's take a look at the screen. So here we go, that's we have our screen. So it's the tool name is Nullpk Content Automation. So it's one click content automate. It's also publish it on your YouTube channel. So we make it advanced in future if you are going following our channel. So let me show you how it's work. So first of all, let me show you the example what kind of video it can generate for you. Just one click, and
Okay,
that's
let's
the
dive
example.
in. We're unpacking a whole stack of recent announcements from President Trump today.
Yeah, and they really paint a picture of executive power being used in some pretty interesting, maybe controversial ways.
Exactly. Our mission here, for you listening, is...
So as you can see here, this whole video generated by AI, even this voiceover. So just take a look at voiceover. It's like it's recorded by real humans. So that's how we make sure that any voice it generates, because we add, there is one amazing algorithm about Humanoid Voice Filter. So we want to make it really real person voice. So let's take a look at the tool itself. So I'm not going through the installation process, so you just need to download this file, and here is all details how you can install it. So nothing too fancy or complicated, you just need a PC and it's gonna work for you. So if you don't know how to install it, if you want me to make a video on that, so I will make a separate video, just comment below. So here you go. First of all, you need a two API keys. So how you can do that, for video generation you need a WaveSpeed AI. So we are going to make it more advanced, so in future. So for now we are going to use WaveSpeed AI APIs and Google AI Studio. So for Google AI Studio, it's almost a free. You can generate one video at a day for free with Google AI Studio API. So for Wave you need to pay some money. It's really cheap. So let me show you which model we are going to use here. So we are using, let me show you. So we are using this WAN 2.2 text to video. So as you can see here, it just takes $0.05 for one video. It's really cheap. If you have a good YouTube channel, so you can, it's like a free. So what software does, they generate one video and loop it until your all podcast is finished. So let's go to our tool here. So here is the tool interface. So first of all, there is a main tab. So for main tab you need to enter topic. Just that's the thing you need to do. Just enter topic and it's do everything by its own. After that we have voice style. So you can change guest persona, host persona as you want. So you want like news type, you want casual podcast style. So basically right now it's only for generation podcast generating tool, you can say, but in future we can expand it. So here is a speaker, different type of speaker. It's all speaker available on AI Studio. So if you want to check, if you don't know what is aistudio.google.com, just go there and click on native speech generation. So as you can see here, there is a different speaker. There is all speakers available on our tools, so you can check there how they sound like before you can try to make a full podcast. So for getting an API of Google AI Studio, just go on aistudio.google.com and click on get API key. It's 100% free, but there is a limitation. You can generate one video maybe a day in single day, because if you want to expand it more, so just you can use premium version, like you can pay how you use pay as go. So like this, just copy this API key, or if you don't have any API key here, just create API key. It's free, so there is limitation, but you can use it in one day, like 2 or 3 times. So second of all, you need WaveSpeed AI. If you don't want to use it, if you have your own any video generation tools, so you can use that as well. So you can use your videos manually. So for this API, just click on dashboard API keys and create some APIs. So I mentioned the all links below, so you can explore it. So let's go to our tool. So second off, we have branding and subscribe. So in there you can add your channel name, so they can say, hey, don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for awesome content. They add all places, in different places. It's look like real, not a fake or someone add something later. It's sound really great. So second tab, we have publish. So you can connect your YouTube. It's little bit typical, so you need to generate a auth file from the Google console, cloud console. So you can add that file here. So let me show you a little bit. So go on Google console.cloud.google. So it's also free, don't worry about that, it's also free. So you just need to go on API key. It's a little bit long step, so if you want me to create, so I will create a separate video for with installation details, so I will skip this step. So let's go here. So you can use this tab to upload your video on YouTube and Facebook, but for this you need a separate step. So what it does, they create also SEO optimized video title and description and tags for you. So next tab is history, so you can check which anything you generate here. And the last one is about, so it's if you want to donate something, so donate. So let's take a look how it's works. So let's give it topic here. If you go here, so you need to add Google API key here and WaveSpeed API key here. Just save settings. Make sure you click on save settings. And for Humanoid filter, just enable it if you want to make your podcast speak like a human. So at here you can choose ratio between 0 to 1. So I can probably choose 0.7 for now. So let's go and generate. First we need to delete. Let me delete my history. So delete this one, delete this one, and delete this one. Go back in main here. So let's select a topic. So let me show you how I simply select topics here. So I always go on trends.google. So first I check what is trending on YouTube. So okay, so we change it to a United States. So because we are working for one person in US America, we are running his YouTube channel, that's why. So let's say past time, and what is in hot here. So as a cowboy, where there is eagle, so let's select this one. Sorry, first we need to change it to a YouTube because we are making this video for YouTube here. Let's take a look YouTube search. Let's see what's hot on same cowboy eagle. Okay, So what we do here, so we just copy this one, this keyword, and we're gonna create a complete video on this. Just paste it here. Let's check if there is anything. If you want to change a prompt, so I have a cinematic shot of like cinematic, so all this, and here is a topic. So prompt is okay. If you want to change any video prompt, make sure you have a WaveSpeed AI key here, so make sure you can have it. So we need, yes, enable fact check. So what it does, first it's deep search through Google Gemini AI Studio, then it's generate SEO metadata for your video, then it's create a podcast script, then they check if it's really a truth or fake, so fact check. It's checked through a search engine, then they create a audio with your podcast script, then they generate a caption, and then they generate video with your prompt, and final video creation they just merge everything and add what we say, add caption on your video. Let me show you how it works. So enable auto captioning. So let me open the folder for you. It's easy for you work here. So here we go, programming. So let me show you. So that's the folder. So when you hit run pipeline, so as you can see here, it starts here, researching cowboys by eagle. As you can see here in your folder file, there is one more, a new topic generated, cowboys versus eagle. Open it. It's empty now because it's working, so just make it small. As you can see here, research save. So there is a one file generated summary. If you open it, so as you can see, they create all data about the story, revival, anything, so they can generate it. Now they are generating SEO metadata, so it's already generated. So go back there, publish tab. As you can see here, eagle versus cowboy 2025 wild conversation. After that they are creating podcast script. It's also done. So here is one more file, podcast script. So as you can see here, if we check the podcast, so our host name is Maya. You can change it from the tool here, so you can change the host name and guest name. So make sure if you are choosing female name, you can select female voice. So if you are choosing male name, you can choose male voice. So let me show you what humanoid filter does. So here you see, this is a random humanoid, what we say, okay, I mean actually, so they can add all this stuff in this script. So as you can see here, they are already generate really pretty good podcast script. So let's wait. Now it's take a little time to generate podcast. So as you can see here, now they are fact checking, so it's already done here. So fact checking complete, so it means it's nothing anything wrong with this. So if there is wrong, they give you error, so it's not right, or there is some flaw like that. So here is the summary. The script primarily flaw is retail fictional future as established fact, while the history aspect of the revival in 1960. So there is a summary. If you like to read it, just read it. To make this script, it must incorporate language that predicted without that it's misleading. So now as you can see here, your script is generated a voice. So it's take a little time, just we come back after it's done. So as you can see here, audio generation is complete. So let me show you what we got there. So as you can see here, so automatically create a podcast wave file. So let's play so you can understand how it sound here.
Welcome, I'm back to Real America Online, your go-to podcast for all things, well, Real America. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a rivalry that really defines a huge part of American sports culture: the Dallas Cowboys versus the Philadelphia Eagles. What a start to the 2025 NFL season, Maya.
Oh, absolutely, Alex. If you just tuned in for that season opener, you got a full taste of what this rivalry is.
So as you can see it's sounds really amazing. So now they are generating a video generation. So as you can see here, it's processing. So it's just complete in few seconds here. So if you like to change a voice and style, so you can change it from here. You can add different persona for guest and host. You can choose different voices, so you can do anything here. So it's really amazing tool. So as you can see here, video generation is finished. So as you can see here, they generate a background here. So according to our prompt, they create like this. So next what they are going to do here, they create a combine all these podcast caption and everything and make a one video, and they loop this 5-second video according to your podcast. So if your podcast is 6 minutes long, so they can generate a loop between 1 to 6 minutes. So let's wait until it finish. As you can see here, merging video and audio. So that's the last step of our video. So it's, as you can see here, video saves, Cowboy versus Eagle in final podcast. So let's take a look at our final video here.
Welcome, I'm back to Real America Online, your go-to podcast for all things, Real America. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a rivalry that really defines a huge part of American sports culture: the Dallas Cowboys versus the Philadelphia Eagles. What a start to the 2025 NFL season, Maya.
Oh, absolutely, Alex. If you just tuned in for that season opener, you got a full taste of what this rivalry is all about, didn't you? It was September 4th, a Thursday night, and the reigning Super Bowl champion Eagles took down the Cowboys 24-20.
Yeah, a dramatic opener, right? The Eagles raising their Super Bowl LIX banner before kickoff, and then this intensely fought game. It just had everything. Explosive plays, some really controversial stuff, even a mid-game weather delay.
Exactly. But this isn't just about that one game, as exciting as it was. This rivalry, it's just legendary. It goes way, way back.
Way back, yeah. We're talking September 30th,
So as you can see here, that's the final video. So you can get, so next step, you just publish it from this software. You need to connect your YouTube channel here. Just click on publish, just upload video, upload to YouTube. Just click on there, and it's now start uploading. So we need to add a progress bar for uploading a video here. There is no progress bar, so that's the one glitch. So that's whole video. So the next thing I want to share with you, so if you want to use your own video, so if you don't have WaveSpeed AI API, so just take any video and add in your topic folder with the name of background. Make sure your video is MP4, so it auto select this background video and skip the video generation part. So that's the all. So I hope you like this video, enjoy this tool, and share with your friend if you feel it's really give you a benefit. So if you want to add anything in this tool, let me know in comments. So I'm your host Nakash. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.